Children. This is chapter 1.3 Leaves of class 3. First part. Children, I am Sutapa Biswas, your science teacher. Today I will explain you about leaves. So listen carefully. Have you seen leaves? Which color of leaves are there? They are green in color. Leaves are the most important part of a plant. A plant cannot be without leaves. And what is the color of leaves? Green. Why they are green? Do you know? They are green due to presence of chlorophyll because they have chlorophyll. And due to having chlorophyll, they can prepare food for the plant. So they are called food factory of the plant. Different plants have leaves of different shapes and size. Leaves of most plants are green, but there are some leaves which may be colorful, which are used to decorate our house. Example, croton. Here you can see many leaves. They have different shape, they have different edges. Okay, some leaves, there are many leaves in one branch. What are you seeing here? Here is a plant. What is written there? Photosynthesis. Photosynthesis, photo means light and synthesis means to make. So why it is named like so? Because green plants can make food with the help of air, water and in presence of sunlight is called photosynthesis. Photosynthesis will be performed by the green plants only in presence of sunlight. So plants cannot make their food during night. Here you can see in the picture from the sun the leaves in presence of sunlight, what is taken, light energy works and goes to light energy is absorbed by the leaves and leaves take, here you can see the arrow, through the arrow carbon dioxide written here. So carbon dioxide goes inside the leaves. And here chlorophyll is present because the leaves are green. And what happened? Food is prepared. And this food is taken by the plant. And during this process, one gas is evolved. That gas is known as oxygen. Oxygen is very useful for us as we breathe in oxygen during breathing. What you can see here? You can see a leaf. Take a leaf and see the structure of leaf. Take one leaf in your hand and as it is shown in the picture, try to understand what is at the tip of the leaf, that is leaf apex. And the body of the whole leaf is known as leaf blade. In the middle and the dantal, okay, through which it remains attached with the branch is called stalk. And the stalk inside the leaves goes as main vein. Main vein means mukhya vein. From this main vein, many branches of veins arise. This branches of veins. This main veins is branched. This main vein is branched and goes inside the body of the whole leaf. So these are called side veins. What you can say, that side veins arise from main veins. In the leaves, I have told you that it takes carbon dioxide and gives us oxygen. How it is possible? Because leaves has very small pores. These are called stomata. Pores means chidra, ched. Through these pores, leaves can take carbon dioxide during photosynthesis and gives oxygen. That means it can do gaseous exchange. Understood? So you have to draw this leaf and the parts of leaves. Next, look around your house, your garden. What can you see? You can see of different size, shape and colors of leaves. Shapes. Leaves may be long as banana leaf, broad as broad as banyan leaf, and round. Round, you can see the leaf of lotus is round in shape, or needle shaped. Needle shaped leaf you can see in hilly areas. Edges. Edges means kinara. Leaves of different plants have different edges, maybe smooth, rough or sharp. You take one leaf of mango, one leaf of mango tree and one leaf of peepal tree. See the edges of their leaves. Have you seen some difference between them? Yes. Color. Most of the leaves are which color or are of which color? The answer will be green. But some leaves are colorful like croton, money plant, etc. So as they are colorful, we decorate our house with these leaves. Function of leaves. Function means how leaves are useful for us, for the plant. फर्स्ट वर्क फंक्शन मीन्स काम. लिप्स का क्या काम है, पत्तों का क्या काम है? तो फर्स्ट पॉइंट इज रिटन हियर, लिप्स मेक फूड फॉर प्लांट्स एंड गिव ऑक्सीजन. नंबर 2, what is the function of some leaves? We can eat some leaves. Like, can you give the name? Yes, spinach, cabbage, mint, coriander. These leaves we can eat. Number 3, we use some leaves to add flavor in food. In our food, as spices or as different smell. For different smell, we use some leaves. For example, coriander, dhania patta, lemongrass and curry leaves. Curry leaves means, do you know what is curry leaves? Curry leaves are used in samhar, chutney of idli. Okay? Curry patta. Number 4, some leaves are used as medicine like neem, tulsi. When you suffer from cold and cough, your mother may give you the kadha of tulsi patta, isn't it? And neem patta, neem leaves are used to cure our skin disease. Number 5, We use leaves to decorate our house. You have seen in our some puja when held in our home, we decorate our house with aam patta, mango leaves, kele ka patta, banana leaves. Have you seen? Yes. Leaves are used to make design on wall and clothes. Okay? Leaves are also used to make different patterns on wall and clothes. So here are the function of leaves. Till now this is you have to learn. You have to listen. Next in next video. Okay? Till then, bye. Thank you.